over here. I'm talking to you guys.
What the heck are you?
Have you heard yourself? It's a frickin' nightmare over here.
I can't believe I'm having a conversation with a pillow.
Well, you better believe it, bud. Trying to tell you about your snoring. Oh, let me tell you right now. Last night, I didn't get a wink. Listen to you.
What did you just say about my snoring?
I said it's frickin' atrocious. And the reason why you're alone. And your cat won't even sleep with you. It's time for you to get a ZYPPAH. It's Happy Z spelled backwards. It'll fix that frickin' snoring.